If you see me outside, just be like, hey girl, you looking good today. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Paloma if you're new, and I make fashion and lifestyle videos. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. Your girl be posting all the cute fit pics on there, and we have a fitness page also, so I'll put both of these right here. Go ahead and follow me. They'll be in my description down below as well if you're interested. But today we're gonna be doing a bag review, and I'm super excited for this one because girl, we got a Chanel bag. So She Bag went ahead and sent me this bag, and I'm gonna be doing an unboxing with you guys and an honest review. I hope you guys stay tuned, and let's go ahead and get started. Before we start this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. So She Bag sent me over this Chanel bag, and I'm super excited to open it up with you guys. So this is what the box looks like in the outside. This is a black box. It's super cute. Definitely gives the Chanel vibe. It looks real. Definitely looks real. So we're gonna see what the bag looks like. Let's open it up. So when you open it up, it has a receipt right here, and it literally looks like I just purchased a Chanel bag. So it has a Chanel receipt. It says the bag was $6,800. It has the authentication. It has who the sales associate was. Like what? That's crazy. That's pretty cool though. And then it comes with these straps right here. So these are the straps that usually when you go and buy any designer bags or anything designer, they kind of wrap it up for you really nicely. It didn't come wrapped up, but if I wanted to wrap it up and do like an unboxing video, I can definitely do that, or use this to make something creative, because that's what we do around here. But that's super cute. Let's see. The bag came in its dust bag, and it feels so good. I can't wait to open it. And then they put a Chanel bag in here just in case, you know, your girl wanted to act like she went to the store or whatever. But that's super cute. I can use this. I'll just save this, and whenever I want to like put anything in here, like we can use that and be cute. Let's get to the part that you guys are all here for. Let's open the bag. So exciting. Drum roll please. Okay. I love how it comes in the dust bag, because you guys all know when you travel and stuff like that, you want to put your bags in a dust bag. So why not? And to be honest, that price that's on the receipt, it says this bag is $6,800. I believe this bag is way more expensive than $6,800 now because of inflation, and Chanel bags have definitely been going up. But yeah. How cute. So that's the dust bag. Super cute. And this is the bag. Let's open it. Guys, I'm super excited. I've always wanted a Chanel bag, and honestly, I'm super excited because I've seen the reviews online, and this bag, definitely they say it looks legit. So I just took it out the bubble wrap, and look how pretty. So it has the little buckle. Open it up. And then it comes with this kind of just to protect the bag. But guys, look how beautiful this bag is. This bag is so stinking cute, guys. So, okay, you cannot tell me this bag isn't real. Like, it looks legit. I actually went to the Chanel store and touched them and felt on them, and it literally feels and looks exactly the same. I'm gonna put a picture of the real one right here so you can see the difference. There's no difference. They look exactly alike. I love. So let's open it up. So when you open it up, it has a zipper right here where you can you put anything in there? No, you can't put anything in there, but it has a zipper. The leather is amazing. Then it has the Chanel sign right here. And one thing too, that the real Chanel bag has the same burgundy color, because I've seen other people's videos and they say that usually the fake ones or the replicas, they have like a reddish, like a dark reddish, and this is exactly like burgundy, like the real one. So it's pretty legit. Okay, so it comes with like some paper in it and some more stuff, and then it has this little thing right here. It says Chanel. Let's see what this says. Kind of like a pamphlet. It has like a little pamphlet with just like Chanel and probably like some stuff that I'm not gonna read. But how cute is this? Oh, what is this? Oh, it also comes with a little tag. So This is the flat bag. This is the Chanel flat bag in black and silver, and I'm obsessed. So when you go in when you open it up, in the middle it has two little pockets right here, and then it has just like a big pocket, and it has the little oh, that's so cute. This bag is a I'm obsessed. And then it has a little front pocket right here. Guys, I'm obsessed. You can't tell me this bag isn't so cute. The material feels super good. You can tell they either use the same material as a real bag or something very, very, very similar. It doesn't smell like that fake leather. It does have a tiny scent, but it's not like, you know when you buy leather sometimes and it has like that fishy smell? Well, fake leather does. It doesn't have that smell. The bag looks gorgeous. You guys can't tell me this bag does not look gorgeous. It looks so real. Like, you cannot tell me it doesn't. And honestly, this bag costs so much money that I just feel like buying that real bag just doesn't make sense for me right now with all the things I have going on. Like, why would I buy that bag? Yes, I would love to buy myself this bag, but if I could get a replica that looks like this, like, you would never know. If I did not make this video today, you would never know. So girl, if you're interested and want yourself a replica that looks just like the real one, go ahead and check out their website. I'll link everything down below, and I have a discount code for you guys. If you see me out with this bag, mind your business, because this bag is so, so cute. Let me give you guys a close-up look. So this is the bag. Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yeah. Tension between us just like it. Honestly, I give this bag a 10 out of 10. It looks exactly like the real one. You guys would never know if you guys were out and seen somebody wearing this bag. And truth be told, there's rich people out there that have multiple fake bags, but they also have real bags. So I feel like personally there's nothing wrong with wearing anything fake. Obviously, if you can't afford it and you can tell that you can't afford it, why would you be wearing something like that? If you can't afford it, then go buy yourself a replica and manifest it. Cause it's like, honestly, this is still a manifestation. I've always wanted a Chanel bag, and it's crazy because in my mood board, in my vision board this year, I put Chanel stuff and all that, and I've gotten a couple Chanel things already, and it's only March, so make that vision board, girl, because it comes to life. But honestly, for this to be a replica, this is a great replica. This feels so good, like, oh my god. You would not be able to tell the difference. As a girl who loves fashion, I love bags, I love designer things, and it's like this bag is amazing, like amazing, made great. Like, they did such a good job. I definitely recommend this bag. I love how like cute and sleek it looks, and it gives me like silver and black is definitely my color. I like a lot of gold, but this is so cute for date night. Like, girl, you can't tell me nothing. Like, look at that bag. You can't tell me nothing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram so we can stay connected on a different level. Don't mind me. If you see me outside, just be like, hey girl, you looking good today. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget, everything will be linked down below in my description box. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.